Imagine a moment when you suddenly feel uncomfortable, as if an unseen force is nudging you, signaling an impending shift. It's a sensation akin to the old self resisting the forthcoming change into a new reality. In this video, we delve into the profound notion of hidden tests from the universe, exploring the subtle, often overlooked challenges that precede transformative shifts in our personal and collective realities. Desire's paradox. Desire can create a psychological tension within individuals. The heightened anticipation and yearning for a specific outcome may inadvertently introduce stress and anxiety. This mental state, characterized by an intense focus on the desired outcome, can disrupt the natural flow of events and potentially attract the opposite due to the underlying emotional charge. Within the realm of the subconscious mind, there might exist resistance to change or the fulfillment of desires. This resistance could stem from deep-seated beliefs, fears, or past experiences. The subconscious mind, when not aligned with conscious desires, may manifest the opposite to maintain a sense of familiarity or perceived safety. According to the law of attraction, like attracts like. However, the paradox arises when desire is accompanied by underlying doubts, fears, or conflicting beliefs. If the predominant focus is on the lack or absence of the desired outcome, the law of attraction may respond by mirroring those vibrations, leading to the opposite of what is consciously desired. The paradox of desire is often intensified when individuals become excessively attached to specific outcomes. This attachment can create a sense of desperation or neediness, which energetically repels the very thing one wishes for. The universe responds to the energy of lack or need with its opposite, reinforcing the importance of detached and positive intention setting. Desiring something new or different often implies a potential shift or change in one's life. The fear of success, fear of the unknown, or fear of change can unconsciously sabotage the manifestation process. The universe may respond to these fears by presenting challenges or obstacles that seem contrary to the desired outcome. There is a spiritual perspective that considers the notion of divine timing. The universe, operating on a grand cosmic plan, may orchestrate events in a sequence that aligns with a higher purpose or a broader plan for an individual's life. The apparent opposite outcome might be a necessary step in the unfolding of this divine plan. The paradoxical nature of desire teaches individuals the importance of detachment. It emphasizes that desires are best approached with a balanced mindset, one that acknowledges and appreciates the present while expressing intentions for the future. Detachment allows for a more harmonious and aligned relationship with the process of manifestation. One approach to mitigate the paradox is to reframe desires as preferences. This subtle shift in language and mindset acknowledges the desire without creating an atmosphere of attachment or neediness. Preferences invite a more relaxed and open relationship with the unfolding of events, reducing the likelihood of attracting the opposite through conflicting energy. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences. The universe often communicates through synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to defy logical explanation. These synchronicities serve as cosmic signposts, subtly guiding individuals toward paths aligned with their destinies. Recognizing and interpreting these synchronicities becomes a key aspect of understanding the unique preparation orchestrated by the universe. Life is filled with unexpected encounters, and each interaction carries the potential for valuable lessons. The universe prepares individuals for what lies ahead through these encounters, whether they be with people, situations, or opportunities. Each experience serves as a lesson, equipping individuals with the insights and skills needed for their unfolding journey. Challenges and setbacks are not mere obstacles, but rather testing grounds designed by the universe. These trials are uniquely tailored to hone specific qualities within individuals, such as resilience, adaptability, and perseverance. The universe's way of preparing involves placing individuals in situations that demand the development of essential traits for what lies ahead. Mirror the energy of abundance. The concept of mirroring the energy of abundance, even in the face of challenges, invites individuals to cultivate a mindset and demeanor that aligns with abundance rather than scarcity. It emphasizes the power of one's thoughts, emotions, and actions in influencing the flow of abundance into one's life, irrespective of external difficulties. Let's explore this idea more deeply. Mirroring the energy of abundance begins with recognizing that abundance is not merely a material state, but fundamentally a state of mind. It involves fostering a mindset that acknowledges the inherent wealth within one's life, including non-material aspects such as health, relationships, and opportunities. This mental alignment with abundance becomes a foundational aspect of navigating challenges without succumbing to a scarcity mentality. Challenges are an inevitable part of life, and mirroring the energy of abundance doesn't imply the absence of difficulties. Instead, it involves cultivating resilience and a positive outlook, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. This resilience allows individuals to face setbacks with a sense of confidence, knowing that they possess the inner resources to overcome obstacles and continue on the path of abundance. By maintaining a positive and abundant energy, individuals may attract similar energies from their surroundings. Despite external challenges, holding on to a positive vibration contributes to creating a magnetic field that draws in opportunities, solutions, and experiences aligned with abundance. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to mirror the energy of abundance. Expressing gratitude for what one has, even in challenging circumstances, shifts the focus from scarcity to abundance. Gratitude serves as a reminder of the richness present in the current moment and opens the door for more positive experiences to flow into one's life. Mirroring the energy of abundance involves approaching challenges with a mindset of creative problem-solving and resourcefulness. Instead of dwelling on limitations, individuals can focus on finding innovative solutions, utilizing available resources, and recognizing opportunities for growth within the challenges themselves. Incorporating visualization and affirmations into daily practices can reinforce the mirroring of abundance. Visualizing a life filled with prosperity and affirming positive statements about one's abundance creates a mental landscape that influences actions and attracts corresponding experiences. Embrace positivity, wealth, and new opportunities. Embracing positivity begins with cultivating a positive mindset. This involves consciously choosing to focus on optimistic thoughts, gratitude, and a belief in abundance. A positive mindset serves as the foundation for attracting wealth and recognizing new opportunities. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce desired beliefs. Embracing positivity involves incorporating affirmations related to wealth and opportunities into daily life. Affirming one's worthiness of abundance and expressing confidence in attracting new opportunities can significantly impact the mindset. A mindset of openness to learning and personal growth is integral to embracing positive wealth and new opportunities. Embrace a new version of oneself. Choosing to embrace a new version of oneself begins with self-reflection and introspection. This involves a deep exploration of one's values, desires, and areas for personal development. Acknowledging the aspects of the current self that no longer serve, and envisioning the desired new version set the stage for intentional transformation. Embracing a new version of oneself requires a willingness to change and adapt. This mindset involves stepping out of the comfort zone, challenging existing beliefs, and being open to new perspectives. The ability to embrace change as a constant and essential part of personal growth is crucial. To welcome a new version of oneself, it is essential to release limiting beliefs that hinder progress. This involves identifying and challenging self-imposed limitations, negative self-talk, and outdated narratives. Letting go of these constraints creates space for the emergence of a more empowered and authentic self. Mindful living involves being fully present in the current moment. Embracing a new version of oneself requires cultivating present awareness to appreciate the journey and make conscious choices. Mindfulness allows individuals to respond thoughtfully to challenges and facilitates a deeper connection with the evolving self. Trials and challenges serve as valuable lessons on the path to self-transformation. Embracing a new version of oneself involves the intentional integration of these lessons. This process requires self-reflection, understanding the significance of experiences, and applying newfound insights to navigate future endeavors. Navigating the journey of self-transformation with compassion toward oneself is fundamental. Embracing a new version of oneself involves recognizing that growth is a continuous process, and setbacks are part of the learning curve. Cultivating self-compassion fosters a nurturing environment for personal development. Ultimately, choosing to embrace a new version of oneself is about aligning with authenticity. This involves being true to one's values, passions, and unique qualities. The journey becomes an exploration of the authentic self, free from societal expectations or external pressures.